Get the Pay to Park app and pay for parking easily from your car or the MyŠkoda app. Go to your MyŠkoda app profile and select Pay to Park and Fuel. To register, simply enter your billing address and number plate. Then add your payment card. Fill out the details and tap the Register button. Now you're ready to go. When parked, tap Maps, select the parking area, and tap Park Here. Then, set the parking duration and confirm the time. To begin the parking session, tap Start Parking. Ready to leave? Just tap End Parking. You'll only pay for the time you parked. The invoice will be sent directly to your email. Škoda Pay to Park helps you live smarter.